Oh. Always use a D-lock. Oh. Good morning, fellas. Do you remember how Paul was in the sea? How do you feel now?
I'm pretty okay. I just can't feel my hands anymore. But
my hands are freezing right now. Like we have 4 degrees under zero. Ooh. So let's go to my seminar, 9 a.m. in the morning. I will just show you how a usual day at BU looks like. This is the seminar room. And I'm a bit too early. Oh shit, I'm the wrong building. Here we go. So I have to go to 403. It's a marketing communication studio. Finally. Hi. So today we are in this room full of Mac PCs. I don't know what we're doing, but hope it will be interesting. And we are only 6 students because of like this amount of snow. And like another lecture can't make it today. That's kind of weird, but so, first seminar is done for today. Now I'll go to financial business analysis seminar.
1 hour later.
So the weather forecast says that we will have snow showers this afternoon. So probably I should go home. But Facebook remembered me that today is a mental health day. So I'm going to the well-being drop-in zone. What I really love is the guitar place out front. It will be nicer when it's warmer. So actually the whole university is closing, starting at right now at 12:30 because of this little amount of snow. I can't believe it. So look, Paul recognized my new shoes. They were £12 with student discount. Yeah, it's way too cheap. So I can't believe it, but the gym is
closed.
Yeah, they're vegan now.
I can't believe it too.
We were already kidding around, like all the cinemas, like food places, everything will shut down.
We don't know yet.
Yeah, things are going like much more worse right now. And it will become even more worse this afternoon. A warm and welcome to Lidl. And it's really full, like people are buying and buying a lot. It's like panic buying. That's what a British girl told me. So I'm at home safely. Here 10.8 degrees in my room. This is kind of really typical British food. 2 vegetarians country pies. So pies is nothing what we eat in Germany, so I'm excited. We also got like, yeah, it's really unhealthy, but I love the taste. So I'm kind of a bit disappointed after looking. Smells okay, but it tastes good. It's not amazing, but it's lovely. I will have a nap. It's something unusual for me to take a nap. Like, I didn't have a lot of sleep because I had a seminar at 9 in the morning. So there's the hairdryer heating up my bed so I can fall asleep faster. And here I am watching a German backpacking vlog. Oh my gosh, I fall asleep for probably 3 hours. And right now, like, I know that tomorrow I won't have any courses because of the snow blizzard. And kind of the most who want to come for the house party won't be able to get there because no taxis are driving. And that's astonishing. It's not a lot of snow. I will go there by bike. That's no problem at all. Okay, this is a joke. Little, what is going on? Like, there's no snow and it's already closed. I can't believe this.
Okay.
So I've made it to Paul's place.
Events, like how to hold
And
your
what
own
will we
events
have
and,
today
like,
for dinner?
We have tacos. So it's
Yes, taco
Taco
night.
night.
Yeah.
You can sleep here.
But I forgot the adapter. So one is searching in their bags.
2 hours later.
I found it.
Oh, that was fast.
See how cool I am.
You're really cool. Tough girl. Here's the chief cook. Today is the night. We should go to club. Like, I'm really awake. I had a 3 hours nap, so now I'm like. Oh, it looks really great. Lovely.
I'm like, what? Guys, it's so good. Amazing. Don't.
Oh, wait. Wait, we do have somebody new in the squad. Say hello to Pavla.
Always here with my taco.
Let's do the. Let's go. Go away. Ah! Ow! 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 It hurts. Take it, take it.
Getting fucked.
It's so cold. It's so cold.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Sam, what happened?
I have snow everywhere. Do it, do it. Not to me, I have the camera.
Do you think that's a good idea? I can feel that I'm alive right now. Don't do that. No, please.
Yeah, do it, do it, do it. No. My feet are dying.
I can't feel my hands anymore. But
Oh, I'm bleeding. Look here, I'm bleeding. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Can I have a bite? Yeah.
What?
No, I mean, I have to come out. So, somebody will ride the bike now.
Oh my.
Go for it! Okay, I lost my earplugs again. I lost my earplugs, so we're gonna search them right now. Found one of them, but I need both of them. Next party!
oh shit, he came.
Yeah, of course.
Seriously?
You could.
3 hours later.
make this every day of the week.
Yeah, and he goes on the internet.
Hot to drink. Hey, we are
we
at
can
Melis's
put some-
place.
Yeah, this is Melis's place.
So how do you like being in the snow?
It was nice, but it took us long to get here, and now I made him tea because he deserved it, kinda. And I'm making myself a little sandwich.
And right now it's raining, so it won't be fun for me to walk home, but
Is it?
can't help it.
Is it?
It is raining outside.
Is it gonna be fun though?
No. Snow is fun, but not rain. So I wish all of you good night.
Good night, guys.
And don't forget to...
Like, subscribe, and share. Share us.
And sleep a lot, like you should sleep.
Yeah, sleep.
It's healthier.
We kind of need it though.
And if you sleep, you can't eat, so you will lose weight. Good night. Look at this, there's ice all over my bike.